Welcome to the lecture series of digital electronics. Today, dear friends, we are going to discuss the sequential design procedure. We take one example and understood the things how we can design any clocked sequential circuit, which starts from a set of specification and culminates in a logic diagram or a list of Boolean function from which the logic diagram can be designed or obtained. In contrast, we can say that a combinational circuit which is fully specified by truth table, while a sequential circuit requires state table for its specification. So, always remember that thing. The first step into the design of sequential circuit to obtain a state table or equivalence representative like as a state table or state equation. So, any one of the thing is required before starting the sequential circuit. We have to understood and obtain the state table or state diagram or state equation. So these are the main three parameters which are required to design a sequential circuit: state table or state diagram or state equation. So these any one of is required to derive, then and then we can design the sequential circuit. A synchronous sequential circuit is made up with the flip-flop and combinational gates. The design of circuit consists of choose the flip-flop, then find out the combinational gate structure and gathering the flip-flop and produce a circuit fulfillment the specification. The number of flip-flop is determined from the number of states needed in the circuit. The combinational circuit is derived from the state table by method which we already seen in the previous lectures. Once the type and number of flip-flop determined, the design processor involves the transformation of sequential circuit problem into the combinational circuit problem. In this way, a techniques of combinational circuit design can be applied. So let's see one by one the strategical method to design a sequential circuit. Suppose a problem is identified and problem is given in the form of word, like as design a ripple counter or make circuit which detect a particular sequence. So whatever the word, this word description circuit behavior stated it given to us for as a designer. Then a complete by from this word derive the state diagram or trimming diagram or pertinent informations. Okay. Now next thing is that from the given information obtain the state table. Whatever the information in the word, it may be directly we can convert state diagram or trimming diagram, timing diagram is that, or pertinent information, some sequential, suppose this type of the series occur at sequentially at input level or encryption, decryption, whatever that thing, we have to obtain the state table, and from the state table we have to the number of state may be reduced by the reduction method. So the number of states may reduce by state reduction method if the sequential circuit can be characterized by input output relations independent of the number of state. Next is that we have to whatever the final state convert into the binary value, it is called as a state assignment. So assign a binary value to each state if the state table obtained in the previous second or third step contains the letter symbols. Initially, the state is symbolized by A, B, C, D alphanumeric code. Then try to reduce it by reduction method which we discussed in previous lecture. Next is that we have to identify the number of flip-flop. So it is depends on the number of states 2 raised to m. M is the 2 raised to m is equal to the number of states. So m final flip-flops are required. So assign a letter symbol to each flip-flop. Then from the state diagram, we can also understood that thing the which type of the flip-flop is required. So identify the type of flip-flop which is used to design the circuits. And from the state table, equation, circuit excitation, and output table, we have to derive it. And the eighth step is that using the mapping and simplification method, derive the circuit output, equation, and flip-flop input functions as per the excitation table that is. And finally, draw the logic diagram, sequencer or circuit diagram. Okay. To understood better the things, let's take one simple example. Suppose this is the state diagram is given to us, and say that design the circuit using JK flip flop. Design using JK flip flop. So sometimes the word is given or directly state diagram is given, and here also binary assigned values are also given, A, B, C, D. Four states are there. Four states. That means this is equal to 2 raised to m, means m equal to 2. So two flip flops are required. Here the circuit is given such that there is no only one external input. Okay. And here there is nothing here. So one external input, no external outputs. Outputs is not defined here. Okay. So let's start the step by step to design the circuits. So first is that we have to design the state table from the given state diagram. So state table say that the first present state, then if x is equal to 0, input is 0, what is the next state? If x is equal to 1, what is the next state? So here we start with the 0, 0, this one. So present state is 0, 0. If input is 0, the next state is 0. If input is 1, the next state is 0, 1. Suppose present state is 0, 1. If input is 0, the next state is 1, 0. If input is 1, then next state is same state 0, 1, 0, this one stage. If input is 0, the same state is that 1, 0. But if input is 1, the next state is 1, 1. And last present state is 1, 1. In 1, 1, if input is 0, the state is repeat itself. But if input is 1, it is going to the next state 0, 0. So these are the state table from the given here. Now to find out the flip-flop input, there is required to rearrange the state table. This is called as AT plus 1 and BT plus 1. Similarly here. So we are going to first rearrange that table. So 0, 0. Input is 0. So what I'm doing, here the x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Two columns are there. We are taking this table like is this way. Okay. Present state and input. And this is the next state, flip-flop, next state. And whatever the flip-flops input is required as per the excitation table. What is the excitation table says that? Excitation table says that Q, T and QT plus 1 and the value of J and K if both are same, so that means the value of J and K may be stable or it may be reset. So J must be 0, anything value of K. If 0, 0 applicable, 0, 1 is also applicable. For the 0, 1, the J must be 1 and value of K may be 0 or 1. For 1, 0, as per the excitation table, it will become x1. and 1 1 it will become x0. So here see 80 is 0, 80 plus 1 is 0. So this one. So that means for flip flop A 0x. Okay, this table is there. For B 0 again 0, so it is also same 0x. Now if input is 1, if input is 1, the 0 1 here 0 A 0 80 plus 1 0, so 0x. BT is 0, BT plus 1 is 1, so this one. BT is 0, BT plus 1 is 1, so the value of J is 1 and K is X. Okay, now 0 1. If present state is 0 1, X is 0, the 1 0. Okay, this one. Now 80 is 0, 80 plus 1 is 1, 0 1, so 1x. BT is 1, BT plus 1 is 0, so 1 0, 1 0, so require x 1. Okay, x1. BT 1, this one, so value of BT is 1. BT plus 1 is 0, so this 0. This is BT plus 1, so we can say that it is a T plus 1. And this is T. So AT and BT. This is AT plus 1 and BT plus 1. So 1 and 0, 1 0 x1. This will be here. Now 0 1 and input is 1. So 0 1 input is 1. The next state is 0 1. So 0 1 0 1. Both all are 80 and 80 plus 1 0 0. So 0x. BT 1, BT plus 1 is 1. So 1 1. So that means x0. This is applicable. Okay. Next is 1 0. The 0 is input. The next state is 1 0. Means state remains same. If state remains same 1 1 80 this one x0, while BT is 0, BT plus 1 is 0, so that means the input is 0x. Next is 1 0 and input is 1, so it will become 1 1. So 80 plus 1 80 is 1, 80 plus 1 is 1, both are 1 1, so x0. 0 1 0 1, so that means 1x. 0 1 1x. 1 1 is the last state, 0, so it remains same. 1 1 1 1 80 80 plus 1 1 1 BT BT plus 1 1 1, so both are x0. This one. And present state is 1, input is 1, next state is 0 0, so A 80 plus 1 1 0 1 0, so that means 1 0, so next state is x1 for flip flop A and flip flop B. Both are GK is x1. So now from this table, now we know that what is the required input JK, JB, KB to satisfy this state table. So that means we have to find out this combinational circuit. Okay, where flip flop J have a JA, KA, JB and KB. The circuit have a 4 input AT, ADST, because the every flip flop have a output and complement of outputs are easily available. Okay, and external input X is that. So the combinational circuit have 5 inputs. How many? 5. These 4 and this is 1. So 4 plus 1, 5 inputs are. So let's see. This is the table. X. These are the input, present state, and input. And so this equation is in terms of AT, BT, and X. So let's take JA. JA is 1 here when 0 1 0. So 0, 1, 0, this one. Okay. So A is equal to 0, B equal to 1, and X is equal to 0. See here. And remaining all, when A equal to 1, or all four conditions, the X don't care condition is that. So we found that this is the equation Bx dash. Now KA, now KA 1 is only here in this condition when all three are 1. So for this, and above all four conditions are don't care. So we take this one example, this one, and it is Bx. So we obtain that JA is equal to require Bx dash and K is require Bx. Now for flip flop B, here the min terms this one 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 0, 1. And remaining all alternate condition are don't care, this one. So we take middle one 4 bunch group as per the K map, X is 1 and remaining all doesn't require, so directly GB is equal to direct input X. And KB, here it is 1 and these two are 1 and remaining all four are don't care condition. So the equation is that 1, 1, 1, 1. So this combination and this combination. So this combination is A, B dash. And this combination is called as A dash B. So it is exclusive OR gate, NOR gate is that, sorry, A dash B dash and AB. So now we have this type of the gate. JA is B. This one is the B. And the second one is here X and X dash. So X dash is that. So JA is equal to B X dash. This is X. So KA is equal to BX. Okay. While here GB is equal to X. So this is the X direct. And A and B X NOR. So this is the A and here is the B. Okay. So in this way, we can design the sequential circuit which is satisfied the given state table, this one. I hope is it making sense how to design the state table into the final circuit, sequential circuit, which we discussed here. Uh, I hope now we are able to design any sequential circuit if the state table is given to you. Have a good day.